Hi everyone, it's Sunit here, and today we're going to cover step by step the best way to check if there is a trademark on your brand name. This is really important because the last thing you want to do is spend a lot of time and money going through product criteria, trying to validate a product only to find out it has a trademark on it. So I'm going to put the links that I use in this video in the description, so please check them out as well. And do note that I'm not a trademark lawyer or such. And if you're looking for a more comprehensive search, please use a trademark attorney. And I'll recommend some online ones at the end of the video. So firstly, we want to go to uspto.gov, or you can click the link in the description. You just want to hover over to trademarks. You can click trademarks, and you can click search trademarks next. After that, you want to click search our trademark database. And then you want to click the basic word mark search. So over here, you can type in your name. So I had a brand name in mind, which I already know is trademarked. I'm just going to show you an example of how it looks. So the brand name is called Squeeze, and I'm just going to see how it kind of looks over here, okay? So I see two live ones, and anytime you see a registration number, that means it's been confirmed live. A serial number means that it's been filed for application. So if you click into the live thing over here with the registration number, you're going to see a goods and services class. This is really important for USPTO to determine which category your products fall under. And this is a standard character mark. A standard character mark means the word squeeze, no matter how it's typed out, if, for example, I want to use the word squeeze, but I use a script font, I can't do that because it's protected by a character mark. There are a couple of different types, but this is the most common one that you can use. And you can also see where it's registered. It's registered to someone in China, and it's been registered in 2016. So I know that this is trademark. And if we just go back quickly, we can try to see another name, okay? So supposing we go for, my name is Sunit, so we go for Sunit shirt. And there's quite a bunch of them, but because it's being searched as right here. Okay, so let's do Sunit T. And you'll see that there's no records that were found to match my criteria, right? That means there's nobody using that name. And that's how you know that you can use that name or not. Of course, this is a very, like I mentioned earlier, this is a very basic search. Now, let's go back to the Squeeze example. So I'm just going to type in Squeeze again. And you're going to see her live. Now, as you can see over here, it's an international class of 21. So what that means is you can go to this link over here, which I've made a blog post about this video as well. And you can see down here. So this is class of 21. And if you scroll down, you'll see a class 21. It means a houseware and glass products. Now, doing a quick Google on Squeeze will tell you that they are indeed selling houseware products, so they're protected under this class. So what exactly this means is, supposing if I was going to register the brand Squeeze, but under class 25, theoretically I can use the brand under clothing, but if I try to register the trademark, they can still oppose the trademark in that sense, okay? Because it's an infringement on their brand name. But it doesn't mean I'm going to get sued or anything like that, but this is how the kind of trademark thing works. You're only protected in that category. So supposing if you want a brand name that you're protected under clothing, houseware, and let's just say toys, you'd need to register in 3 classes. Now, most services go charge you per class, per name. So how do you actually go about registering a trademark? You want to go over to a site called LegalZoom, and I have this link in my description as well. What you can do is you can start your trademark registration over here, and if you scroll a bit down, you can see that they have 2 types of services where they charge $600 plus the fees for having an attorney take the lead with you, or you can do it yourself, but you'll have to answer most of the questions. Now, they do have a very comprehensive website, and it's a great online service. Their help section is incredibly helpful as well, and you'll be able to get your answers accordingly. So yeah, that's about it of how to kind of do a basic search for a trademark, how to check if it's available or not, how a little bit overview about the classes, and lastly, how to register a trademark. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to help you out. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so I'll be taking out a new video every few days. Thank you.